Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be drawing the second and the third winners of the Christmas giveaway I started in the previous video. If you haven't watched that, you can check that out. So yeah, let's just get on with it. Okay, so here's the first winner. His name is Valanaut. Alright, so let's see the picture. Okay, so it's just gonna be a very simple portrait, nothing too fancy over here. I like that. And then our next one will be TSN. Let me see his actual name. The Bearded Dad. Let's see the photo. Interesting. Not bad. I think this will be one of the coolest. Alright. Okay, so as usual, the first thing I'll do is work on the sketch and then I'll move on to the details. So working on the sketch is actually kind of like a lot of calculations going on here and there. You have to be able to tell that this side is too short or too long as you draw. Okay, so now I have a basic sketch here. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the details. So as you can see, I didn't really focus on getting everything perfect on the sketch because I know I might still end up changing stuff. So I just put down the basic structure, position of the head, not forcing too much on the resemblance, but making sure every important element is on the face. Why is it so hard to draw hands? Okay, let's move on to coloring. So what I usually do is I select the background, I right click and select inverse. So right now I have the subject himself selected. So now working on the tones, I'll use the layers I created to clip to the normal base color layer. So for the first one, I'll be doing the shadows or the dark tones, which I'll be using a multiply layer right here. And I'll use the cool color, probably violet or blue, and I'll lighten it up a bit because multiply darkens stuff. So I'm only focusing on the darkest areas of the picture right now. Alright, yeah guys, as you can see, I'm making this video on a different day because I didn't really get time to continue the drawing on that same day, so whatever, it doesn't really change anything as long as I'm drawing. Alright, so this is the third winner. I like the way the picture is. Alright, so let's go to the sketch. So I'm basically going to try to get the structure of the whole picture. I'm focusing on the line for the edge of the swimming pool and for the posture. Alright, so let's just get into it. Alright, so now that I have my sketch layout done, inking is going to be very easy because most of the work has already been done. I'm just going to go over what I've already done and then get the details. my line art's ready. I think I can move on to work on the coloring. It's funny how whenever you start adding the colors, everything seems to come together. It's like all of a sudden it looks almost finished, and I can feel like the work is gonna turn out great. Hopefully. Alright, time to add the shadows and the lights. So as usual, I'm going to use my multiply layer. Then choose a color close to blue, light blue. And then for the light tones, I'll just use a warm color, bring it down since it's going to brighten up, and then I change this to linear tones. By this I mean the blending mode. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, Merry Christmas and enjoy the rest of your holidays. I'll see you next time. Peace.